In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Zoho Invoice internal error and get your accounting back on track. Dealing with server-side errors can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you are trying to finalize bills or send out urgent invoices to your clients. This specific error is a general server-side failure, which essentially means that the Zoho server attempted to process your request, but encountered an unexpected problem and crashed before it could complete the task. Before we dive into the technical details of the fix, if this video helps you solve your problem today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides just like this one. Let's get started with the troubleshooting process. The first and most common solution is simply to wait and refresh. I recommend waiting for 1 full minute to allow the server to reset its processes. Then, go ahead and click the Send or Execute button again. You would be surprised how often this error is just a temporary hiccup caused by a brief moment of server maintenance or high traffic. If that doesn't work, we need to move on to step 2, which is checking your data center. You must ensure that your web link matches your specific login location and region. For example, if your account is based in Europe, you should be using zohoapis.eu, whereas users in the United States should be using zohoapis.com. If there is a mismatch between your current URL and your account's regional home, the server will fail to find your data and trigger that internal error message. Third, we need to verify all of your mandatory fields. Go back through your invoice carefully and ensure that every required piece of information is filled out, such as the customer name, the date, and the specific item details. Sometimes, if a mandatory field is left blank, the system crashes instead of giving you a clear validation warning, resulting in that generic internal error. Finally, check your input for any special characters. Look closely at your text fields for symbols like the ampersand, the less than sign, or the greater than sign. These characters can sometimes interfere with the way Zoho's code reads your request, causing the entire process to fail. By cleaning up these symbols, checking your regions, and ensuring all fields are filled, you should have your Zoho account running smoothly again. That is how you fix the Zoho Invoice internal error quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.